Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by closing FIFA 23 and any mod managers running on your PC. Create 3 backups of your FIFA 23 folder before you remove Live Editor. Backup both the game installation folder and documents /FIFA 23, save files to external storage or cloud. Verify you have at least 1 copy on an external drive and 1 copy in the cloud. This protects saves and settings if something goes wrong during removal or verification steps. Open your mod manager and disable the Live Editor entry first to stop runtime hooks. Use the manager's uninstall option to remove Live Editor cleanly. If no manager was used, manually delete Live Editor. DLL and associated mod files from the FIFA 23 installation folder. After removal, run Steam or the EA app Verify Integrity function to restore any original game files. This prevents missing file errors and confirms official files are intact for safe gameplay. After removal, clear FIFA 23 cache and temporary files to remove leftover hooks. Restart your PC to flush memory and services that may still reference Live Editor. Launch FIFA 23 and test Career, Ultimate Team, and editing screens to confirm Live Editor is gone and gameplay is stable. If errors or crashes persist, reinstall FIFA 23 and then restore save files from your backups. Keep mods updated and enable only trusted tools to prevent future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.